go ahead and set up your paper like this. We're going to call this two-step equations number 2. Okay, we're going to do a couple examples. You're going to see there's just one difference between the examples we do here and the previous examples. So it's not too much of a jump, but sometimes this is something that confuses students just because of the way it looks. It kind of looks like, I don't know, this looks tricky. Okay, so we have to think about what this means. What does this line mean? This line means division. This means x divided by 3 plus 7 equals 11. Okay, so remember, when we solve equations, we deal with addition and subtraction first, and then multiplication and division. So just like before, we're going to deal with this first. Okay, so first, we're going to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Okay, and what does that get us? Remember, we're subtracting on both sides of the equal sign, right? It always has to be on both sides of that equal sign. So this cancels, and I'm left with x over 3, right? That doesn't change. Nothing happened to that. The only thing that happened was I canceled the 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now, I need to get rid of this 3, right? My goal is to get x by itself. This says x divided by 3. X divided by 3. So remember, I want x by itself, so I need to do the opposite of whatever's happening to x. So this is x divided by 3. So what's the opposite of divided by 3? I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides. Okay, I'm multiplying by 3 on both sides. So that cancels, the divided by 3 and the multiplied by 3 cancel. X equals 4 times 3 is 12. And you can always check your answer. You can say, okay, well, let's see. 12, let's plug in 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 7 equals 11. Yep, that works out. Okay, let's do one more example. X over 2 minus 5 equals 8.5. Okay, so those are decimal. We don't really care. We could just use a calculator. We're not too worried about it. Okay, so first thing, remember I deal with addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5. Okay, adding 5 to both sides. I add x over 2 equals 8.5 plus 5. And look, I'm just going to do this one in my head. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 8.5 plus 5 is 13.5. And now I have x divided by 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. And I get x equals 27. 13.5 times 2. Okay, and that's it.